Unlock the full potential of DeepSeek's free tier to supercharge your project development. First, let's get you set up. Head over to the DeepSeek website and create your free account. This is your gateway to a powerful AI coding assistant. For new projects, think of DeepSeek as your brainstorming partner and initial code generator. Clearly define your project's goals and structure in your prompts. Be specific about the language, framework, and desired functionality. DeepSeek can help you draft initial code structures, suggest algorithms, and even generate boilerplate code, saving you significant setup time. Don't just copy-paste blindly. Treat the generated code as a strong starting point. Review it, understand it, and then adapt it to your specific needs. This iterative process is key to effectively leveraging the free tier without hitting limitations early on. Now, for updating existing projects, DeepSeek shines as a troubleshooting and enhancement tool and countering a bug. Paste your problematic code snippet into DeepSeek and clearly describe the issue. It can help identify potential errors, suggest fixes, and even propose more efficient or elegant solutions to improve your code. Need to add a new feature? Break down the feature into smaller, manageable steps and ask DeepSeek for guidance on how to implement each part. You can also use it to explore alternative libraries or methods for achieving a specific outcome, helping you make informed decisions about your project's evolution. Remember, the free tier is about intelligent usage. Refine your prompts based on previous responses. If the initial output isn't perfect, don't be discouraged. Use it as a stepping stone to ask more specific questions, guiding the AI towards your desired outcome. By focusing on specific tasks, using it for ideation, initial code generation, and targeted problem solving, you can maximize DeepSeek's free version for both building new foundations and continuously improving your existing projects, all while staying within your free usage limits. Start building and updating smarter with DeepSeek today.